Okay, before you sit, please arrange your chairs and pick up those pieces of paper under your chairs. Okay, who wants prizes? Yes, all of you want prizes. So I have a short discussion. So I want you to listen. Then whoever answered my questions, then you have the prizes, of course. Yes, yes. Okay. So solar system. Solar system has 9 planets. Then the smallest and the closest planet of the Sun is Mercury. Then Mercury, with an orbit period of about 88 Earth days and 116 days, which is much faster than the other planet. Then Mercury revolves around the Sun at the speed of 48.8692 kilometer per second. So I want you to round those numbers, rounding into decimals into 10 nearest tens. So 48.8692, round it into nearest tens. So who wants to answer? Yes. Okay, very good. So another round 48.8692, round it into nearest hundreds. Who wants to answer? Okay, you. Very good. So another last 48.8692, round it into nearest thousand. Okay, very good. So all of you has the correct answer. Then of course you may have your prizes. Okay. So I have here answer sheet for you to answer. No? Sige. Okay. I gave you 5 minutes to answer those answer sheet. Please don't make noise. Okay? Okay, I missed out. What is our topic for today? Anyone? Who can guess our topic for today based on our activity? Okay. Yes, very good. Yes, very good. Okay, you may sit down. Then, based on our discussion a while ago, Mercury revolves around the Sun at the speed of 48.8692 kilometer per hour. So 48.8692 kilometer per hour. So ato ini Now remember, the 5, if more than 5 or 5 up, you can add. But for below, it stays in his place or 0. No? So tens, kapag niya is, ang tens na to is 8, then ang upper hundreds is 6. So round the 8 into nearest tens. So more than 5 man ang ilang dapat. So may dito si Jang 9. So ang answer is 48.9. So this is the nearest tens. So how about naman kung nearest hundreds? So Arika, 6. So mahimo siya more than 5 man ang ilang dapat. So mahimo siya 87. So then, how about naman to nearest thousand? So, ano naman thousand natin is 9 to 48.86. What is this? So 9. Kapag dito is below 4. So, hindi ra siya. No, 9 ra siya. 9 and 9 ra siya. So 48.86, 886. So rounding decimals numbers, if 5 above, you can add 1. I have here answer sheet for you to answer. Then I gave you 5 minutes to answer that. Don't make noises, okay? Okay, time is up. Please pass your paper. Then I have here an assignment for you to answer at your home. Please answer that. Okay. Goodbye, class.